So as a homeowner, one of my biggest concerns is to have a water leak, especially a leak if I'm away from home and don't know about it. So I've been wanting to try this out, and I bought this and I installed it. This is the Aqara T1. This is a valve controller which can shut off your main water supply to your house in the event of a water leak. And so this is for your water supply line coming in, and that's what's going to create the most damage if you were to have a leak. So if a pipe were to burst or a fitting or something come loose somewhere, and the water is just going to continue to run. So you need a way to shut that off. And if you're away from home, you either might find out and not know how to shut it off, or you might not even know about it. So with a system like this, through your smart home connections, you can set up this valve controller. It's a battery powered and it works through the Aqara system. Now you're going to have a hub to control this. You can get either a hub 2 or a hub 3 from Aqara that will run this, and then there are a couple other accessories I'm going to show you as we go that you'll need to get full use out of this. So what you get in the box is all the hardware that you need to install this. It even comes with its own batteries, as you see. It's a pretty hefty device that you're going to install, and it's going to fit most types of water lines, I think. If you're not sure about this, though, get some help so you can figure out exactly what you need to install this correctly. So I've done a lot of my own plumbing over the years and installed a lot of my own water lines. I'm pretty confident in taking care of things like this. But with this, I really wanted a way to be able to control the water in and out of the house, even if I'm not home, or even to set it up to shut off by itself. So to do that, you will see I did a little experiment here showing how this works, but I used an Aqara sensor, and I have a pack of these that I've put in my basement in various places to detect water leaks. And so there's one I'm going to place in a strategic spot here in my basement, and if it detects a water leak, it will actually automatically shut off the water to the house. Here's the Aqara sensor. I'm not going to pour water on the floor. I'm going to pour it in this bowl, get it wet. It's notification coming on my phone, and the valve is getting shut off, all automatic. So I think this is a great way to be able to take care of this. So even if I get notifications when I'm out on my phone, I don't always see them. I don't see them immediately. But with this, the water sensor can shut off the water immediately in terms of what it senses. So I've done other videos on the water sensors before, but the valve for me is a new installation, and I really wanted to test it out here. So you'll see my little test, pouring the water on this, and it responded quickly. I got the notification on my phone, and the valve did exactly what it's supposed to do. So I thought it installed pretty easily on my system. Now, I have a PEX system, and so I was a little afraid that it wasn't going to fit, and the way that the plumbers had installed my new line when they put it in, I wasn't totally happy with, but it worked. And while it doesn't line up exactly the way it should, it still is doing what it's supposed to with my water line. So these bolts, the nuts on top of each side should line up exactly. Mine don't, and that's just, they won't quite fit into place that way. But the valve still does exactly what it's supposed to in terms of shutting the water off. So not a problem for me, but if you're installing this, you want to try to get those to line up. So the test then functioned just as it needed. You can see you can control this various ways. You can control it with Apple HomeKit. You can control it with the other smart devices in your home. You do have to have the Aqara hub, though, to connect all these things. And so that's part of getting into the Aqara ecosystem. Now, you may be thinking, how much does that cost? Well, Aqara is really unique in that they make quality stuff, but they're one of the least expensive ecosystems out there. So if you want to get a few devices, I think an Aqara hub is worth it, because this Aqara valve controller comes in way below a lot of the controllers that are out there. And yet, I think it's a quality one that's going to work together with other things that you need. So I like to use my Apple devices, and so Apple HomeKit, and these just are automatically there once I put them into the Aqara system. So as you see, I was able to test this out. Again, a little bit of peace of mind for both when I'm home and when I'm away, but just to be able to know what's going on in my house and take care of things. So I feel like I'm always taking care of things, but this gives me extra knowledge of what's happening in my basement in a place that I don't actually visit that often, but I need to know if there's a water leak. So that's one of the biggest things in a home that you're ever going to want to take care of, and make sure that it is shut off quickly. So hope this was helpful. Again, that's the Aqara water valve controller. It's a T1 and works with the Aqara hubs that are out there, the Aqara Hub 2, the Aqara Hub 3, and I think it's going to be a device which is going to give you good peace of mind if you're looking for one of these. Thanks for watching.